Wear the sportswear and the long gown. Done na rin. First batch.
I think, yes, it's about time to award the second batch of our major awards. Yes.
Major awards. Ito po, we're about to announce the best in
Major award na muna.
Best,
Yan na!
best in sportswear and also best in long gown. Sino ang inyong mga bet ngayong?
Yan na! Ayan, 3 winners. May 3 winners.
Third placer, second placer, the best in talent for Ginang Dasmariñas 2024.
Sisimulan po natin yan sa third place to be awarded by Consihal.
Wala, ang laki.
Ang best in talent nyo.
Ang laki.
5,000 pesos.
Best in talent, third placer, to receive 5,000 pesos. Congratulations to candidate number
Candidate number 7.
Pasok, pasok!
You are our third placer.
Kaya na yan! Okay na yan! Pangalawa na yan! Pangalawa na!
Grabe.
Talaga ka lang.
Talagang pinakita ni Miss Ginang Gretchen ang kanyang talent on December 4. Noong nakaraang araw lang po. Dito mismo
diba?
sa Plaza. Sa ating Grand Talent
Sa dami-dami nagtalent na yan.
Congratulations once again. Candidate number 7.
Congrats! Dalawa na yan!
And Consihal Eric Atienza. Our second placer will receive
Ginang Dasmariñas Best in Talent. Second place is no other. Candidate number 15, Vanessa Grace Ocampo.
congratulations.
Ayan yung nag-ano ng palayok.
Ang competition pero unti-unti nang may nauuwi ng prizes.
To award, we would like to call on
Consihal
Ginang Dasmariñas Best in Talent will receive 50,000 pesos. It's candidate number
Candidate number 10. Grabe. Pero maging sa Ginang Dasmariñas na po ang Odessa ng kanyang supporters. Congratulations, Ginang. Bali mo kami ang you are our best in talent.
in Paru-Paro Atal.
This will be awarded by Consihal Doc Daisy Alvarez and Miss Bernadette Laura.
Best in will receive a sash plaque and 5,000 pesos.
Sino sa tingin nyo
7.
ang best in Paru-Paruwe?
7!
Ito kanina lang natin nakita. Ang daming magagandang paru-paro. Ang makita natin here on stage.
Our best
7!
Paro Atal is
7!
number
7!
Candidate number 4.
Ay! Si Carissa. Apo, colorful siya.
You are our best in Paru-Paruwe. Nag-uwi siya ng 5,000 pesos.
Next award is the best in sportswear. This will be awarded by Consihal.
Mamaya yung swimsuit pa yan.
Akay Garcia and
Depende rin yan sa
Consihal
pag-ano ng
Boyling.
project nila eh.
fare will receive
7!
sash and 5,000 pesos.
Grabe, unti-unti na natin nakakita. Nag-stand out first segment dito sa Ginang Dasmariñas. And now, candidate number 4, Carissa May Castusa. Congratulations, Ginang number 4. 2 down for you.
Our special award.
Congrats, guys!
Hindi lang basta winning a special award, but of course, meron din silang cash prize from the city government.
Yes, grabe po. Ilang awards na yun, nakilala na natin ang Miss Photogenic o ang Ginang Photogenic, ating Ginang Congeniality, Best in Talent, Best in Paru-Paru Wear, Best in Sportswear. Maya-maya lang po ay makikilala na natin ang Best in Longgown.
At syempre, mamaya ang excited part dahil malalaman na natin kung sino nga ba sa ating mga Ginang Dasmariñas ang makakapasok sa ating
Top 10.
10.
Okay, and Formal Wear Award, and this will be presented by Consial Erica Tienza and Consiala Doc Daisy Alvarez.
Award.
Our best
Formal.
formal wear will receive a sash, trophy, and 5,000 pesos.
Who's your Best in Longgown? Sino? Sige, ibigay mo yung pinakamalakas na palakpakan mo! We have a lot of best, but one has to stand out. Our best in formal wear is no other than candidate number... Candidate number 4.
Salo! Or again.
Congratulations, Ginang number 4. You are our...
Congratulations sa lahat ng winners ng
Candidates, we will move on to the second part of our competition.